Hello and welcome to Garb Studio. In this video, I am going to show you how to adjust volume in an audio clip in Adobe Premiere Pro. So, without further ado, let's get started. I have already added an audio clip that needs its volume adjusted. Extend the audio clip in the timeline until you see the horizontal volume line appearing in the middle of it. To increase the volume, drag this line upwards, and to decrease the volume, drag it downwards. By doing so, you will change the volume for the entire track. Let's see how to adjust volume in a specific part of an audio track. First, move the playhead in the timeline to the desired point where you want to start adjusting the volume. Click on the audio clip in the timeline to select the entire audio track. Go to the Effect Controls, locate Level Setting under the Volume effect. Click on the stopwatch icon next to the level setting. This action adds a keyframe at the current playhead position on the small timeline next to the Effect Controls. Now, move the playhead a little forward to the point where you want to set the next volume level. Click on the small circle next to the level setting in the Effect Controls panel to add another keyframe at this new position. With the second keyframe added, you can adjust the value next to the level setting to increase or decrease the volume at that specific point. Move the playhead to the desired endpoint where you want the volume adjustment to end. Once again, click on the small circle next to the level setting to add a third keyframe at this position. Move the playhead to the point where you want the audio to return to its original level. Click on the value next to the level setting and set it to 0. This will reset the volume level to its original value at this point and automatically create the necessary keyframes to achieve the smooth transition. If needed, you can adjust the positions of the keyframes by clicking and dragging them along the timeline to create more complex volume adjustments. Using this way you can adjust the volume of an audio track according to your needs. Thank you for watching this tutorial. I hope you found it helpful and informative.